The popular AI-powered search engine Perplexity has unveiled Perplexity Assistant for Android devices, which is likely to rival OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and Apple's Siri. The launch comes on the heels of the rollout of Sonar, an API service allowing enterprises and developers to build the company's generative AI search tools into their applications. Available in the Perplexity app, the AI assistant utilizes reasoning, search, and apps to help users with daily tasks. In a post on X, Perplexity CEO Aravind Srinivas stated that the Perplexity Assistant actions might not always work, but the company plans to address this in the coming months. The AI assistant can only summarize unread emails and upcoming calendar appointments, Srinivas also noted. This multimodal AI assistant uses users' smartphone cameras to answer questions regarding their surroundings. Initially, the AI assistant will be free for Perplexity users in 15 languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and Hindi. It's worth noting that OpenAI also rolled out a similar tool called Tasks to ChatGPT Team and Pro subscribers last week. Perplexity is a popular search assistant that allows users to ask questions and receive detailed answers using AI capabilities. Founded in 2022, Perplexity has reportedly raised over $500 million in capital. It functions as both an AI search engine and a knowledge hub, cementing itself as a go-to source for a diverse audience, ranging from tech enthusiasts to casual learners.